Hey guys, how are you all? In this video I'm going to show you that how can you hide applications from your home screen on your Android mobile phone. So how can you do that? You just have to do it by two steps. The first step is for some versions of Android mobile phone, the option is the inbuilt hide application feature present in your settings of your home screen or display settings in your phone setting option. And the second one is you have to go on Google Play Store here and find a better application to find your hide apps. Wait a second, just click and type hide apps. This video is not sponsored by anything, and you just have to download this calculator hidden application software from Google Play Store right here. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching this. Please subscribe this channel if you liked.